What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hello the Gamer here. I've been getting a lot of questions about like how I started my YouTube channel and everything. What do I use? What softwares I use? You know, a lot of people just ask me a lot of questions. So today I'm gonna be going over how to start your YouTube gaming channel. All right, so let's get in. Oh yeah, y'all ain't see look at my hair is curling up. Anyways, let's get into it. First off, you're gonna need a console. All right, mine's a little dusty, you know, leave it alone. Next, you're gonna need a capture card. I use AverMedia 2 Plus, you know, it's a good one. It was like I think like $130, but yeah. You're gonna need a computer. I have a hard drive, 2 terabytes. It's optional, but you know, if you're gonna be recording for long periods of time, you might wanna have something like this. So, last but not least, you're gonna need a camera. So, I'm using a Sony 4K camera. You don't have to have that, you know, like, you can use your phone, really. Just get a tripod and get a phone mount. You can use your phone to record. I think I covered everything. Let's get into the softwares. OBS. OBS is free to use. You can download it. I'll put the download links in the description. And the next thing I use that a lot of people are familiar with is Audacity. And I use Audacity to record my audio just because I like to have like more control over how my audio sounds and the effects and everything, but OBS can record your audio too. I just choose to use Audacity. Oh man, I almost missed it. You guys are gonna need a mic. You're gonna need a mic. Man, how do I like go over everything with the mic? Let me show you guys something else. Like if you have like a PS4, I don't know if it's the same for Xbox or not, but it's like when you're using your capture card from your console to your computer on OBS, you'll get like a content protection message. Let me show you. I'll just show you guys. Boom. When you have everything hooked up and OBS downloaded, if you're getting this message, I'll show you how to fix it right now. So, focus in on it. That message right there. Copy protected content. So what you want to do is go on your PS4 or whatever. I don't know how it works on Xbox, but go on your PS4, go to System, go down to Enable HDCP. Turn that off. And once you turn that off, you'll get a black screen for a moment, but it'll be casting to OBS now. So yeah, I was having that problem, and it took me like a good hour to search the internet to like find somebody. Another optional thing is having, if you don't have one already, is having a USB multi-strip. You know, that helps just because you're gonna be like, a lot of USBs are hooked up already. But yeah, that's how I started my YouTube gaming channel. Hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you like as soon as I can. It'll be like within the same day, same hour, maybe, you know.